Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a really cool looking skull head for Eternal Voyager. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw the skull, and to begin we're going to start out with the eye socket area first, and we're going to draw the top area, kind of like the top brow area. So we're just going to start out with two mean brows. And then from there, right in the center, just come down. And then now we're gonna draw the side. So this one's gonna be a little bit rounder. So we'll just draw a bracket like this first. Just kind of come down past this mark right here. And then once you have that, just continue the curve. And it's gonna straighten out a little bit and just connect that. So turn and then straighten it out. Okay, and then from there we're gonna draw in the eyeball inside. So we're gonna start with a smaller one first. So it's gonna be a full circle and just gonna be touching the top right here. Okay, so full circle. Start from here. And then once you have that circle, we're gonna draw another outline on the outside. So just continue that curve. And it should tuck right underneath that line. Alright, so that's the eye socket area, and the rest of the skull is a little bit easier to draw. So let's just add in some details. So right on the top here, just kind of curve it. And then right here in the middle, just one line across. And then in the center, straight down. And then now we can draw in his nostril area. So just come across like this first. Okay, slant out. And then come back in. So a little bracket. And then now from this point here, just go back up toward the center. Okay, so now let's draw in the side of the skull. So right above here, you can just go up. You can make a little point. Just slant it down. And now come straight down, right around past the eye. So right around here. And then now we're just gonna hook it down. Come back up, pointing at the nostrils. Okay, so now let's continue on down and finish up the teeth. So we're gonna start right in the middle here. You can draw like a little V shape first. And then another one, V shape, going out, a little bit smaller. And then whatever space you have here, just connect them. Alright, and then for the teeth on the bottom, so we just come down and just come back up into the corners. So come down and go up. And then right here, let's just flare out on the side. And then again, on the bottom of the teeth, just come down with a little hook. Okay, so that's the bottom, and now let's work on the top. So the top's a little bit strange here. Right in this corner, just go up. And then curve it out and then slant it down into the eye socket area. So curve, slant in. Okay, and then once you have that, we're just gonna finish up the top. You can just go up like this, or you can start right around the center. You can just draw one curve like this first. And then whatever you have here, just curve it down and close it off. Alright, and then for the little details right here, just start here, just curve out. And then here, curve down and then one more curve. Okay, so start on the top one first, curve, and then just go out, and then 2 curves inside here. So 1 and then 2. Alright, and then for some details on the skull right here, around this corner right here, I'm just gonna come in to the eye socket area. And then on the bottom right here, I'm just gonna follow this angle right here. Start on the nose, just come down, and just go out. Okay, so come down, go back up. And then now for the little glowing, I don't know what you call those, looks like plasma. I'm gonna switch to my thinner Sharpie. Okay, so that I won't make too much of a mess. So this one is a little bit more random. It doesn't have to be exactly like this. So I'm just gonna start on the inside here. Just gonna curve it up. Just give it some wavy lines. And just keep going up. And then on this part here, I'm just gonna round it down. Just kind of pinch it in, flare it back out again, and then pinch it in. On the bottom here, just round it out. Okay, so on this side, let's see, let's start on, I'm just gonna start from the teeth, curve, and then this one's just gonna come down, just gonna tuck it behind there. Maybe it'll just end right around here. Okay, and then on this side here, let's see, let's start, well, we're gonna start out on the side here first. You can draw like one little lump like this first. And then from here, curve it down, and this one's gonna go into the cheekbone. And then we'll continue that, come back down, and then into the teeth. Again, it doesn't have to be exactly like this, just as long as you have some of these. I don't know what it is. Alright, so let's draw another bump like this, and then we'll just continue down into the skull. This side. Yeah, maybe this is an easier way to draw it. So just draw like a little bump like that first, and then just continue down, go into the skull. Just as long as you have these kind of smooth curves, it should be fine. Okay, so I'm running out of paper space up here. You can draw a little bit higher if you like, but I'll just kind of end it here. Alright, so that's the skull, and if you want to continue drawing the body, I'm just going to draw part of this, and you can use the my other videos of the Eternal Voyager, because the body is pretty much the same. So I'm just going to start just the collar area, and then we'll transition into the other video. Okay, so then on the bottom right here, I'm just going to draw inside the collar, just one big curve, and then I'm going to draw the opposite curve going up. So this should hit this area right here. Alright, and then for the back side of the collar, just follow that curve, just come down. Come straight down. And then let's see, I'll flare it out slightly. And then this is gonna come in. And I'm gonna add in a couple lines like this to show that there's folds. Okay, so that's gonna be the collar area, and then let's transition to the other video for the full body. Alright, so now we can work on the body. So right here, this is gonna be a shoulder. We'll slant it out nice and wide. And then we're gonna pinch it all the way into his waist. And we're gonna pass that to draw in his belt, to just come down straight. And then from here, just come in with a slant. Okay, and then let's finish up the, I guess the belt area right here. So just go up. And then whatever you have here, same slant on the bottom, just go back out. And let's just add a few lines in here. And that'll be a good stopping point. And then we'll go back up here. Alright, so let's go back up here, and for the, here's his armpit right here. it's got a little strap. So I'm just gonna start right here. Just come down right to the armpit area. And then the strap kind of goes up a little bit, so let's just add like a little rectangle in the corner. Alright, so for the pattern, let's draw in the arms first and then we can draw in the details on the body. So again, here's the armpit. So we come back here for his shoulders. We just kind of go straight down. Go to the armpit, come straight down. And then for the elbow area, there's some gonna be some creasing. So I'm just gonna add like a little bracket like this. And then for the lower arm, we just extend it and close it off early. Okay, so let's draw on the other side first. So here's the armpit. Shoulder coming down, just come slant down, use the other side for reference. Come back to the middle here, the armpit, come down. And then again, just add like a little angle bracket. Okay, so come down. And then close it off. Alright, so now we can draw in the gloves. So right here, just come in a little bit and just go down and close it off with a slant. So this is going to be his wrist. Okay, and then for his hand, here's his thumb. Just curve it down like this and then curve it back up. It's going to be a little bit rounder. And then for the inside of the palm here, just add a little slant like this. And here's the back of the palm. Come down. And then now for the other fingers, just curve this out. And then come back and just kind of close everything off. Alright, so that's one finger, and let's add a little bit of a tip on the other fingers on the back. Alright, and then let's just add in one line here just to finish that out. So that's gonna be kind of like the green glowing color. Alright, so let's draw the other side. So same thing here, just kind of come in, come down and close it with a slant. And for his hand, his thumb, come out, curve, come back up, and then inside the palm, slant. Back of the palm, just come down, and then we just curl it for the finger, come back, close it. So it's like a little claw. And then for the other fingers, just one here. And then same detail here. Alright, so now let's add in some of the details, some very cool designs up here. So right here in the middle, we just draw almost like a bar coming down first. And then we'll continue that, just give a little bit space. And just go all the way down to the belt area. So just leave that empty. Alright, and then from there, just kind of go in and close it with a vertical line. I guess it would be going out. Okay, so just go and then close it off. Alright, so once we have this line inside, we're going to draw the other one, just kind of following it along. Just follow that line, go all the way around, make it into a bar. Okay, and lastly here, just slant right out to the shoulders. Same thing here, just go up, then slant. Okay, and then we're gonna see a little bit of this bar right here. So just come out and just go up. So a little triangle in the very corner right here. Alright, very cool design, and let's move on to the legs. So his legs a little bit strange down here. It's kind of curving this way. So just come down to the middle. Let's draw like a slight curve going this way. Back to the middle. One little extra fold. Okay, now for the thigh area right here on the side, just kind of come straight down. Slight slant. It's a little bit tighter. Come back here to the middle. Okay, so just kind of taper in a little bit. So his knee's gonna be right here. Okay, so same thing here. Just come down and then taper in. Here's the middle, just come over a little bit. Down, taper. That should make this one a little bit longer too. Okay, so his knees right here. We're just gonna continue on with the leg. So just come back up here, flare out, and then close it off. Okay, so same thing here. Come down, this one's gonna slant a little bit more, and then just close it off. Alright, and then for his boot, it's easy. We just come down, we can close it off first. Then we're gonna draw the dome shape, curve, just come out a little bit more on this side, close it, then one little section for the sole. Okay, so same thing here. Come down, close it, just use the other side for reference. Dome shape, coming down, come out more on this side, close it. Okay, and then we can add in a little bit more detail if you want. We just add in one line right here on the boot. And he's got another glowing bar right here. So I'm just gonna draw one curve. And then once you have that, just go up. And same curve on the top. Okay, so same thing here. Slight curve, just go up. Close it off. Alright, and then lastly right here, it's got this bar is going to continue, so whatever space you have here, you can come down here, and then we'll just slant it out. And then other line here to give it the full bar. Okay, so come down here, slant out, same thing here. Alright, so that is it for this fully upgraded Eternal Voyager. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.